My name is Anurag Tiwari from RoboSpecies. So we are offering a turnkey solution for schools in the form of STEAM Lab. So if we talk about STEAM Lab is all about the whole sum of learning. With the help of technology, we can teach them many different concepts. So it's a concept-driven thing. So in the concept-driven thing, what we do, we introduce them with many different products. In the products can be from mechanical construction sets, it might be from programming or any DIY kit. We introduce them with many different other technology like AR and VR and AI, so to let them understand the basic concept behind it. So we can use many different kits like this, like it can be a humanoid, it can be a robotic arm, but the main important thing is to teach them the basic concepts. So if we're talking about learning, then there should be a very much clear about the concept they're having. Let's say we are working with grade 10. They tend to have forces, motion, laws and energy in their booklets. But if we talk about force, motion and law, they just read it and the principles, but they won't be experimenting any kind of thing. So what we do, we inculcate this curriculum in the syllabus, and then we introduce them with many different kids to make them understood about the real world. So if we talk about upcoming future, so in future they definitely need these kinds of learning to upgrade. So this is what we offer in any schools or engineering colleges.